how to add a countdown widget on your Android. I'm using a Samsung phone currently, so it might be a bit different on your Android, so depending on your device, but the general process is the same. So first, you need to pinch out of your home screen, or you can just long press on your home screen and this will pop up. Here at the bottom you can see the widgets option, and from here I want to go to the calendar app, so just find the calendar right here. And as you can see here, the very first option is the countdown. So in order to add it, you can just long press on it and simply drop it on your screen. And it says tap to select an event. So depending on where you live, there might be different events. So from here, let's say I want to I want to choose Christmas. So it's 122 days left until Christmas. So, and if you want to change the layout of it, you can just make it big, drag it, so like so. And you can also customize it. So if you go to settings, you can customize it, make it white, change the transparency, and play with these settings. And that's how you add countdown widget on your Android. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.